Hi there. If you are a travel advisor just starting out or have been in the business for years but never marketed yourself, or if you just want an overview of what's possible, I am glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 3 things that are important to your marketing plan and necessary for you to do to reach prospective new clients. Now grab your notebook or simply rewatch this video as often as you like. Now, the top 3 things you need to do are number 1, leverage social media and have an online presence. You knew I was going to say that one, right? Number 2 is networking and partnerships. And number 3, stick around until the end for the 3rd topic. It's something you need to do even if it's the only thing you do. Now, number 1, the first topic we're going to talk about is social media. I'm Sherry, an international marketer, travel writer, photographer, and travel advisor. I've earned a master's degree in social media, and yes, it is a real thing. This video provides an overview of what I recommend you should do. On Patreon, I dive deeper into each subject with training on how to take action and get these things done. The link is in the description below. Social media is important for travel advisors, but don't overdo it. Choose 1 or 2 platforms where your ideal client spends the majority of their time. People who love to travel are more likely to use visual social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to find destination inspiration, research hotels, and plan activities. For example, the majority of my YouTube travel account views come from ages 55 plus and are interested in cruises. Facebook is the largest online social network in the world with about 3 billion monthly active users. And it's not true that the younger generations are ditching Facebook. Ages 25 to 44 is currently the largest percentage of active users, and ages 18 to 34 make up for more than half of Facebook's users. Engaging content for these channels should include topics such as travel tips, destination highlights, client testimonials, and promotional offers. People turn to social media for travel information and entertainment purposes, and also to live vicariously through others' travel if they can't go themselves for whatever reason. They view for cultural understanding, inspiration, and advice on places to go, where to eat, and what activities to do. You need to create valuable content such as travel deals, posts that share your personal travel experiences, videos, and content that showcases your expertise and attract potential clients. In Jet Set Tribe, we walk through how to do each of those in detail. Now tell me in the comments below what stage you're at using social media for your business and what you are currently struggling with. I'll do my best to create more videos around these topics as well. If you're getting anything out of this, then of course, please like and subscribe and share this video with colleagues that you think would find value in my channel as well. And I'm just starting out because this is just video 2. So number 2 is networking and partnerships. If you've been in the industry for a while, you've probably already been networking and attending industry events and trade shows. Now, these are great ways to meet potential clients interested in your specialty travel services. Professionally branding your table or your booth, wearing a name badge, handing out professional business cards, and holding a giveaway are all great ways to establish your name and brand in the marketplace and to collect leads. Joining local networking groups is another way to meet people from special interest groups who may be interested in larger group travel. Introduce yourself to wedding planners, corporate event organizers, nature clubs, wine clubs, pickleball clubs, and more who may need travel planning services. Offer your current clients a referral deal if they share your information to new clients. These can be discounts on your professional fees, perks on their next travel booking, gift cards, or something else that your clients would find valuable. And be creative with that one. Now, number 3, it's the most important even if it's the only action you take. You may be a pro at Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok and receive inquiries from these channels, but do you have a backup plan if these social media platforms go down or completely disappear? And they have, which created mass panic. Many businesses whose sole presence was on these channels halted when the platforms went down for even a day or two. You're also vulnerable to automations that may not like something that you posted, and they'll randomly delete your account. The recovery process for that is lengthy to get your account back. In the meantime, your business is halted while you're trying to get your account. Now, don't get me wrong, social media is a very important part of the marketing mix, but it shouldn't be your only source. It's part of your marketing mix. You also need a way of building trust and reaching your audience outside of the platforms that you can't control. So think of social media as the digital version of word of mouth, and your website or a landing page on your host agency's website as your virtual storefront. No matter what other platforms you choose to use, whether it's social media channels, an online directory, handing out brochures at a trade show, or advertising in the newspaper or on radio, you want to direct everybody to your website or your landing page and give you their precious email address so you can follow up, vet them, and start building a business relationship with them. You'll want a method of email list building through website signups, social media promotions, and lead magnets like maybe a free travel guide or some discounts. You can then send personalized emails based on client interests directly to them. And there are email marketing tools to automate these campaigns, such as ConvertKit, which I've included a link below so you can grab your free account. I also teach email marketing step-by-step inside Jet Set Tribe as well, so that link is down below. By focusing on these 3 marketing strategies, you can effectively reach and engage potential clients, driving more bookings and growing your business. If you found this information useful, then please share the video with your colleagues, like I said, and like and subscribe so I know if this information is relevant and I can create more videos for you. Sometimes YouTube delays notifications, so to be notified as soon as new videos are released, I have a newsletter link below and also a link to Patreon for more in-depth training. And for some people, this overview is all you need to take action. For the rest of you who would like more in-depth training, this is exactly what I provide inside Jet Set Tribe membership. So head over to jetsettribe.com or to Patreon with the link below for more details. And also I have a Jet Set Tribe shop where you can find Canva templates for social media and planners and all sorts of things, forms, all sorts of things to help you build your business. Now, this is only my second video, so thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video.